everyone, I am Galaga26 and for this video is about photo cartoon converter. So I'll go to bookmark to open the website. So this is the website photocartoon.net. So photocartoon.net is free online service that allows you to convert your photos into cartoons, paintings, drawings, caricatures, and apply many other beautiful effects. So you can choose either photo cartoon converter and photo frames and effects. To convert your photo into cartoon, click photo cartoon converter. Then click this choose file to upload your file. Then click cartoonize online. So this is the original photo. To choose the different cartoon effects, just go here on the left side. So there's a different cartoon effects that you can apply to your photo. Christmas effect. So just click to choose the effects. Okay, or this one, glamour. So this is glamour. Okay, I will choose this. Then in the right side you can also add text. Just enter your text, then you can choose the text style. Then you can adjust the font size and the color and the background you can apply. So for example, I will add text. Then click add text. So you can move the text to position your text. Then you can also adjust the equalizer. So you can adjust the brightness, then the contrast, and the saturation, and hue here. Then after, click apply. Okay, then to download the file, click download. So this is the file, it's already downloading. Then I will open it. Okay, this is the file now, and the text here in the lower portion. Then regarding for the watermark, you can go to bcat.com. Then you can remove the watermark online. This is bcat.com website. Then click remove watermark. So remove watermark from image. Then locate the file. So this is the file. Okay, then the square, you will drag this on the top and adjust. After, click this erase. Then click this to download your file. So this is the file, it's downloading, and then I will open it to view. So this is the final file without watermark. Next, to apply photo frames and effects, click this photo frames and effects. Then choose file. So I will be using the same file. Then convert online. So the original photo. Then here on the left side, you can choose the different photo frames and effects. So you can choose fireworks. So this is fireworks. Then you can choose roses. Or you can choose Christmas too. So this is Christmas too. Then same procedure. You can add text, you can adjust font, then you can add color and background. Then you can also adjust here the equalizer. Then same procedure, click this download. Then this is the file. Then I will go to BCAT online. I will remove the watermark. Then drag the square. Then you will adjust. Then click erase. Download the file. So this is the file. This is the file without watermark. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, or click subscribe for more videos.